What is up, guys? Guys, from the Wise Creepers, and I have a package. A package! Oh my gosh, it's from Amazon. It arrived in the mail, and it's so happy. At least I'm pretty sure it's mine. It should be. Let's get this baby open if I can, because this is impossible with one hand. Shit, fuck. Shit, fuck. Right. God damn it. Alright. No, what is this? Oh no. No. There it is. Did I do that side? Yep. It's never too late to say I'm sorry, pum. It's like a tradition to sing in every video for me. I don't know why. You know what? I'm just gonna like fuck. Just do this. There. It's working. At least it should be. Yeah, there it is. And now for opening the backs. Yeah. Stay. Alright, this is impossible to open, but it's okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. Eventually. Well, in life we will get there. Ah, God. This tape. I can't even. There. No, it's open. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here it is. Oh, what's this? Oh, this was to protect it. That's actually smart. Okay. Let's see how that worked. And then we got, oh, it's so cold though. It is so cold though. Oh God. Here it is. The PS2, PS3, PC, USB, G, GameCube, Wii U, Xbox 360 fighting stick by Mayflash. Yay, they may flash. Now, how does one open this box? Goddamn. So hard doing unboxing. Oh, wait. I also forgot to show you. I also got this, the gaming mouse, which is really sick. It lights up and it looks comfortable and everything, and I'm like, ooh. Okay, hold for me, guys. Hold the box for me. Thank you. Keep that. You may be wondering why I'm uploading on this channel, and that's because this is my more personal channel, I guess. This is where I just upload whatever I want, not just gaming. I might do covers on this channel or something, or I might do like, I don't know, reviews, just whatever I want. This is for like anything that's not gaming. I open that. There you go. Open you up. Oh dear, here it is. Oh, look at her. Oh yeah, I feel the quality, like the resistance in it, but I still love it. It still feels amazing to like have another fight stick. Ooh. Oh no, it's not as small as I thought it would be. I'm glad it's not like super small. Oh, she's a cold one, because this bottom is like really fucking, oh, that's metal. That's really cold. Oh. It's like, get my fingerprints. Oh no, this is freaking, this is not like, I don't know. Oh no, this, oh shoot, nope. This joystick's pretty good actually, but it's kind of loud. I mean, I could use it. It's perfectly fine. A lot of people were like, it's not that good, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, should I really get it? And I was afraid of getting it, etc. But I mean, I like it. A fight stick's better than a controller. I know that for sure. Oh, this is for the PC, right? Yeah, should be. But I'll just leave it there. Oh, this can be my like kit for my box. I'll just throw that away. Here, come here, box. You're so fucking far away. Shit. Actually, no, I don't need any of these boxes, because I have, like, in my closet, this is where I'm gonna put, like, most of this shit. Alright, get in there. I didn't expect it to come so soon, like, Jesus. I thought it would come fucking on, like, the 6th or 7th because I ordered it like right away. I was like, fucking get this shit here, man. And then they're like, okay, we got you. And then they delivered. They delivered all right. Oh, but no, I like it. It's really cool. It's got the square gate, just how I like it. Because there's circle gates, which is like, okay, so basically you can go like, there's no resistance. There's like just a circle, so it just goes around a circle, but a square. So like you can feel it hit the points and etc. And you feel like the square outline. So it's just like a gate that restricts it, and it only can go in that shape. And here are the buttons. I can definitely feel the resistance, but I still like it. And I can hear that noise. Probably because it's metal. The bottom is metal. It's so cold though. Oh Jesus, that's really cold. Oh, I should untie this. Right. How do I untie this? Let's see. Shit, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way too. Wait, no. Ah, fuck. When you're stupid and you can't untie something with that's like the easiest thing to untie. Oh shit. This is really confusing me. This I got it off. I did it. Go away. This thing is like, it works for PC. It works for a lot of things. It's the universal fight stick apparently, so I mean, that's cool. Oh yes, look at it in all of its glory. Holy shit. I was playing Injustice on my PS3's on. I'm probably gonna turn it off and unplug that and plug this in. Because this fight stick is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Literally so happy though. And then I'm happy I got this gaming mouse. I mean, I bought both of these though for myself because with Christmas money, so it's perfect. Now, how am I gonna open it? Oh, this seems easier to open. This seems one-handed kind of style. There's still tape on it, but I mean, I don't care. This is a gaming mouse, which is better than a regular mouse. So fuck yeah. Ooh, sticky. I'm sorry that I'm swearing a lot, guys. I usually don't swear this much in videos, but I do swear when I'm like pissed off. Which is like witches, basically. Oh, the witches. They are an ass. Alright, let's get you out of that box. If you want to listen though. Oh, god damn it. No. Oh. God damn it. This is harder than I thought it would be to get it out. Oh, god. Why is it so hard to get out? Oh, there it is. Come out. Alright, I just need you to listen to me. I need to hurry because my grandpa's gonna be here soon. Yeah. You know what? Alright, it's all good now. Ooh. Oh, wow, that feel. That's actually really nice. Wow. That's so cool though. Look at it. Gaming. Oh wait, let me see if I can focus in on this. Gaming mouse. Saurus gaming model. Input speed. Check out this USB. Apparently it's gold plated. If you can't see it, there it is. That's actually really cool. Wow. I'm actually really happy with what I got. I didn't order the gaming mouse online though. I just bought it. I found it and I'm like, that's pretty sick actually. And so I got it. I got it with my money because I'm cool like that. I'm freaking pimping out my room with a bunch of accessories, well, gaming accessories mainly. But, I mean, that's fine. Oh shoot, this is like a really long cable though. Why? Why is it like a cable? Oh, feel that though. It's like it has like a fabric around the cable so it won't like rip off or anything. Wow, this is not a cheap mouse. This is a sick mouse. I'm gonna unplug this. Okay, you'll see the difference between this mouse that I'll show you the mouse that I bought and the mouse I had. Here, this is the piece of poo I had. Do you see a difference? Do you see a difference? Do you see a difference? Oh yeah, I see a difference. Lol. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This is just me doing an unboxing for fun, me vlogging, because I mean I haven't really gotten into that. I probably will, but just like me opening shit that I get. Look, I got this for Christmas from my mom. I kind of want. I mean, the sides rubber. I guess that's nice. But I mean, look at this. This is sick. That's so cool. Oh, I'm in love. And then we got the fight stick here. Oh, oh lordy. I don't know. I like the feel of it. I really do like it. And then there's these buttons. These are like weird. Yeah, those ones are weird. Oh, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Yes, so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Isaac from the Wise Creepers. Oh well, I'm not on the Wise Creepers channel, so I mean, this has been Isaac. So thank you guys so much for watching. I guess I'll see you when I get something else or when I feel like doing something. So, bye bye.